Hi, today I'm really happy to announce that we have a special facial for men, and it's called the Skin Brightening Facial Kit, which we have for them, and it has just 4 steps. And what this facial does is it deep cleanses the skin, it removes tan, and of course it brightens the skin. So it is something that is really needed for a man's skin. And in this box we have 5 facial kits, and in each facial kit we have 4 steps. It's just a 4-step facial. The first is to cleanse the skin. Now this has got an exfoliator also, which deep cleanses the skin. So you cleanse it and it exfoliates, which means it removes all the dead cells from the skin, and it also helps all the blackheads and whiteheads that are there. The next is the massage cream, and you use the massage cream, and for a good massage, a man loves a good massage, so you can give them a wonderful massage with this massage cream, which is also going to lighten and brighten the skin. And then we have a sheet mask. Now the sheet mask is wonderful. You just have to take it out and apply it on the face, and it's going to deep cleanse the skin as well as remove tan and brighten the skin. And last but not least, we're going to give you a sunscreen, which you'll definitely have to use on your client. And these are the 4 steps. And then you can, of course, ask the client to keep on using a sunscreen, which is very, very important. I am thrilled with this facial, and I know that you are also going to be thrilled with this facial as well as your clients. They're going to love it.
Skin Brightening Facial Kit for Men. This facial cleans, exfoliates, detans and hydrates the skin. It is recommended for all skin types and is completed within 45 minutes. Start the treatment by using 2 drops of sandalwood or patchouli essential oil in your client's hands. Ask them to rub their palms together. Hold them over their face and breathe in and breathe out deeply 3 times. Step 1. Cleanser. Clean the face with sachet number 1 for 3 minutes. Scrub the face and neck gently with damp fingers. Remove the residue using wet wipes. Blot out any excess moisture with dry tissues. You can proceed to remove blackheads and whiteheads if there are any. Step 2. Massage cream. Take sachet number 2 and massage the face and neck for 15 minutes. Wipe off any excess product. Step 3. Face sheet mask. Take sachet number 3 and place the sheet mask on the face, adjusting the eye, nose, and mouth openings to fit. Leave the sheet mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Let your client relax. Remove the mask and gently massage in the remaining serum over the face and neck. Step 4. Sunscreen. Apply the sunscreen from sachet number 4 to ensure sun protection.